Welcome to Jerushas Toybox. Today we are going to be opening these 5 Japanese Pokemon cards. Let's go. Okay. Starting off strong with the first one, I'm going to I'm just trying to open this. Gonna struggle. Okay. Face down. So first we have this one. And then we have, ooh, I forgot his name, but
Obama Snow.
Yeah, it's pretty shiny. If you can see that, it's kind of shiny. My camera might not catch it, but it's okay. And then, we got the rest of these. Alright, first pull. Not really, I don't think anything super special, but starting off strong again with the second one. Okay, I'm trying to open it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so first this one. Okay, so we have some kind of maybe energy drink, I'm gonna guess. And then we have the rest of these. Not seeing any shiny ones, which disappoints me.
It's a Meryl.
Ooh, I like the water. Looks cool. I like the art style. All right, I got 3 more. Right, starting off again. Ooh, this one was more easier to open. Some kind of gadget for maybe Pokemon catching. Then we have, I know that's a Murkrow, the evolution of a Murkrow. Then we got all of these, plus the little gadget. All right, something shiny again. Hope we find something shiny in these. Okay. Turning face down, we have girl. Then we have all of these. Ooh, I think it's I don't remember her name. I swear, I thought I could have remembered it. But we have all these. This is our duplicate, I guess.
No hollow foils?
No, I don't think so. All right, last one. Let's see what we get. Let's hope we get something shiny. Okay. We have, I'm pretty sure it's a pelican, or it's a pelican looking Pokemon. Pelipper. Okay. Ooh, nothing shiny, but these look cool. A Surskit. I don't know the other names. Well, that is it for all the Pokemon cards. We did get one thing that was shiny. See if it's worth some money. Here, let me gather all these up. All right. Well, like and subscribe. I hope you liked this video. We will be posting more soon. See you guys later. Bye.